Now, children, this is lecture 6.06 PU part, slide number 18. Slide number 18. Now, when you couple copper with SHE, when you combine copper with standard hydrogen electrode, the question here is, you do not know the value, EMF value of copper. Assume. Now you are having textbook which gives that EMF of copper is plus 0.34. Supposing you do not know. In the lab, you are in the lab. They have given you copper electrode, standard copper electrode and Cu2 plus solution in the beaker, and standard SHE is given to you, and you are going to measure it. How do you know that which is cathode, which is anode without the actual data? And secondly, you will be also be given a voltmeter, and you will connect it to a potentiometer also, which shows the direction of flow of the current. Okay, now the following things are very important, because you can get lot of questions with respect to this. So now whenever you connect standard metal N plus bar metal to SHE in the laboratory, first important point, voltmeter negative terminal of the voltmeter, if it is connected only to anode, anode is negative electrode in galvanic cell. Basically we are discussing about the two half cells in galvanic cell. So here all of you know oxidation occurs. So only if it is connected to the anode, voltmeter reading, you will get a positive voltmeter reading. So similarly, positive terminal should be connected to cathode of the half cell. But still now you do not know whether this is anode or this is anode or cathode, and vice versa. Supposing if you do not know, you are choosing the half cells arbitrarily. If you are choosing the half cells arbitrarily, means you do not know which is cathode, which is having more reduction potential, which is having less reduction potential, for the purpose of constructing a galvanic cell. Then what should you do? In this case, you have to compare standard reduction potentials of both electrodes the electrode which has greater standard EMF value will be considered as cathode. All of you know this. Okay. Similarly, the electrode which has less E naught SRP value will behave as anode. Now, if supposing if you construct like this and net EMF of this cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode, if you get a positive value, that means what electrode you have chosen arbitrarily is absolutely correct. That means galvanic cell is properly constructed. Supposing by mistake if we reverse the poles and connect it to voltmeter, then what will happen? EMF will be showing a negative value. EMF will be showing a negative value. Okay. Now, most important thing, sir, how come voltmeter will show negative value? So please understand, if supposing you are connecting this to an external battery in the cell, you are connecting it to external battery, and if the external battery is showing, if having a greater value of the net cell of the EMF, then it will show negative value. So therefore, by these methods, you can determine which to choose as anode, which to choose as cathode. Okay, great.